Well, hello everyone. Here's our first math review. I find it very important that we review and you understand how important this is. I know these numbers you know as multiplication, but you guys have fun with it. The more you practice these, the better they get. So here we go. 4 times 4 is 16, you guys. 4 times 7 is 28. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. And 8 times 9 is 72. I know you guys are sitting there going, we know these, Miss Alexander. We want to make sure you know them, so we're going to practice, practice, practice. Another thing we need to practice, and I'm realizing some of you guys are struggling with this still, but that's okay because it's in there so we all learn it. So here we go, you guys. On this side are whole numbers. You need to write out the words. So ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. On this side, you guys, we have tenths, my THs, huh? Let's quick change that up and change that color so you guys remember. Here's my TH. I don't use that color often enough. Here we go. Tenths, TH. Here, hundreds. You're right, this is thousands. Make sure it has the TH. Yes, I expect you to write on this every time. Fill it out. Memorize it. Now we need to figure out the value of the underlying number. Look at you guys. I'm just kind of picking colors so that I can have fun. You can do the same thing. What is the value of this 8? So I'm going to look. 8 is first, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put 3 zeros. I'm going to look at the 5. Oh, it's on the other side of the decimal. So I'm going to write 0.05 because it's 500ths. Let's look at this. It says 500 is 1/10 of the value of what number? So we're looking at 500, you guys. Oh, pick a color, pick a color. Let's go here. I don't use this one enough. So we're doing 500 equals 1/10 times 1/10 of x. So 1/10 of what number? Now remember, a fraction is a division sign. So it's pretty much, what is this number? So what I'm going to do is something algebraic. I'm going to take the 1/10 and turn it into multiplication. So I can go 500 times 10 equals what number, you guys? You guys are right. It is 5,000. 500 is 1/10 of 5,000. So if I do 5,000 and divide it by 10, I'll get 500. So now let's look at something else we added in today. We are going to do some subtracting. Now, this is where I'm going to stop with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you, but I'm going to show it to you on a Google Doc because there's something you need to know that you can do on a Google Doc. So here we go. Here we go. Here's a Google Doc, you guys. Same one we were just doing. Now, it's kind of hard. Whenever you subtract, you really want to go vertical. You don't want to stay horizontal. So what you can do is go to Insert, a Drawing, New. Right here on this line button, you're going to come down and you're going to hit Scribble. Now, when you do that, there's a couple ways you can do it. You have touch screens, so you can use your touch screen to write what you need to write. Okay, I've got to stop this for just a minute, you guys. I don't know how to get out of this. Okay, we're just going to do this. Leave. We'll just quick go back in. Okay, you guys, I need to remember my number. 200. This is why I don't do this. I forgot to write down my number so I can give it to you. 425 subtract 257. I'm just going to do the 1 to show you guys. So again, go to insert, go to drawing, go to new. When you're in there, hit the line and go to scribble. On here, you can write 465 subtract 257. And now you can subtract. Now the one thing I know is 7. I can't take 7 out of 5, so I need to regroup. So I'm going to change my 6 to a 5 and my 5 into a 15. 5 from 5, I can do that. So 15 minus 7 is 8. 5 minus 5 is 0. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So all I have to do now is say save and close. Look, because of where I had my cursor, it went in the wrong spot. So I'm going to make it smaller. And then I'm going to look for there's a way. There's a way to move it, you guys. Okay, let's just undo, undo, undo. We'll just move it right down here. I'm just going to enter it right there. I'm going to go quick back in and redo it. No. Save. Scribble. I'm going to use my finger on my computer. 465 subtract 257. Again, look at how I'm using the drawing tool. I know I need to regroup, and this 5 becomes a 15, 8, 0, 2. Now I'm going to hit save. That's going to close, and what I can now do is make it smaller so I can fit it in where I need to. Okay, so I have my evidence for my teacher that I did my problem. And all I have to do is do the same thing over here. Let me quick write this one down. 3,456 minus 378. So watch, I'm going to put my cursor there. I'm going to insert. I'm drawing new. You're probably going, we get it, Miss Alexander. I just want to make sure. We're going to go to scribble. And we're going to write 3,456. And we're going to subtract 378. Look, handwriting doesn't mean as long as you can read it. I know 8 can't be pulled out of 6, so I'm going to come over here and regroup. This becomes 16. 4, I'm going to regroup. I'm going to get it done all at the beginning. Now I can just subtract. I have an 8, a 7, a 0, and a 3. I'm going to hit save and close. Now I'm going to take this and shrink it because I don't need it that big. I can show my work and Miss Alexander go, great job. But then she can also see if you make any mistakes where you can get partial points. This is for our math review from yesterday. Hopefully this helps for tomorrow's. If you need anything, please let me know, and I will talk to you later. Remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. Bye.